Welcome back everybody. Bitcoin keeps looking very weak, guys. We're getting rejected from the 200-day EMA. Look at that. This is very bearish for Bitcoin long term. Bitcoin must break above this 200-day moving average, okay, to really, invalidate the bearish trend that is forming here. But look at that. If you zoom in here on the 6 hour, let's get rid of the EMA for a second. You can see we are getting rejected here from this small trend line, okay, from the 42K level. As you can see here, it's even doing kind of a head and shoulders here. You can call it a head and shoulder if you zoom in here on the 1 hour, okay. That's the right shoulder ahead, and the left shoulder again, another bearish pattern that broke to the downside. Okay, now this could be invalidated if we break above this trend line. Now Bitcoin need to break above 40K and start closing candles above it, stay above it for a while to invalidate this move, because the way it's looking, it looks like it wants to come back and test the prior support range at around 30K level. Now every time we come here, we catch a bounce. So if you bought here, we definitely bought in this level, catch a bounce, cash out here on that dead cat, and then it came back down. Bought another bounce, cash out yesterday on the third failure. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 failures breaking above 41K, and now came back down. I actually liquidate all my account. I'm in cash now in Tether, waiting to buy the next bounce on the 30K support. Now if you're new to crypto, don't use leverage, first of all. Second of all, if you choose to buy the bounce from support or buying at support, make sure you don't go all in on that level, because that will be the first test of support. Okay, the more support is getting tested, the more likely it can break to the downside. So if you want to catch a bounce and you're a spot trader, do it, man. But 5%, 10% capital. Don't use all your capital. Save the big money just in case it want to roll over to 28, 26, whatever. Because if you zoom out here for the Bitcoin chart, if that level is lost, okay, we're talking about that level. If that level is lost, the next major level we're talking about is around 20K, and we have this one on the way. Okay, we have this one on the way, this level. Around the 25K, we have nice support, but the next major support is 20K. Okay, so keep that on your mind before you go all in here on these levels. Okay, now again, I'm not calling for a bear trend. I'm just trading the bounces till Bitcoin will show me that it is bullish again. Because if you are a hodler now, you get wrecked. You get completely wrecked. You don't want to be a hodler in this level. Obviously, if you bought, okay, guys, let me explain myself. If you've been buying here and you're still holding, do not sell. This is not a time to sell. Wait for the market to recover, whether it's gonna take a month, 3 months, 1 year, etc. Don't sell in a loss. This is Bitcoin, okay? Sooner or later, it will come up to 60K and will go way beyond 100K. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but do not capitulate, okay, on a 50% drawdown, okay? This is not the way you make money. You can make more money and invest more in Bitcoin as it goes down, basically average down your entry. All right, guys, so just to sum it up, guys, really, I don't think it's the end of the market because of the 200-week moving average heat map. Okay, you can Google this thing, and you can see here, we are topping out only when Bitcoin is doing the parabolic top, and the chart shows a red reading, okay? This was the 2017 top, that was the 2013 top, that was the 2013 double bubble top, okay? We had 2 tops that hit the red signal, okay? So we are just in the green. Can this chart be failed and wrong? Absolutely, but I don't think it's the end of the bull market. I just think now, once Bitcoin show us that it cannot really climb above the 40K, if it will not do it this week, I'm gonna have to lean to a scenario that we're gonna go a little bit lower, guys. It can go a little bit lower, chop around here, maybe break bearish, go to the 25K or something like that to shake out everybody. and then from here do a reversal, hold support, and then start the climbing. But this thing can take a while, it can take a month, it can take a couple of months, you know. It could be something similar to what we had in 2019 when this thing went completely parabolic all the way to 14K and then went on a bear trend. That was a bear trend, okay? It was a bear trend all the way to January before we had a serious rally, okay? Ignore the COVID. The COVID is like different thing, but that was a long time. That was like half a year, you know, 190 days till we saw any major bull run in altcoins and Bitcoins. So anyway, guys, keep that on your radar. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Cheers.